Hi guys, how we doing? Okay, we had a few technical problems today. I'm back on here with another Affiliate Mentor live training and I'm continuing with my 90-day challenge, which is now day 2. I normally use StreamYard for this, but for some reason StreamYard kept losing the connection with Facebook, so I've jumped over to good old Facebook and just doing a live direct. So we'll see how this one turns out. Now, depending on where you're watching this video, this could be live on my profile, this could be in the Facebook group because I do drop it into there, and I also do try and download this video afterwards and drop it into YouTube as well. So wherever you watch it, drop any likes, comments or questions and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, it's all about the program Affiliate Mentor, and following in through the training modules, I've started my own 90-day challenge, and this is day number 2. So I'm going to give you an update, going to share some show you some stats, and sort of go from there. So this is going to be 90 days, going to run right through to the start of December, and I'll obviously update my progress each day and definitely each week and stuff like that, and let you know where we're at. So let's go and try and share the screen. I do normally use StreamYard for this, so I'm trying to sort of find my way around. It did show, I could say it should show the screen earlier, so I'm just going to try and find out how I can do it on here. I'm looking for the screen share, otherwise we'll just have to talk about how I'm doing it. So let's have a look, see if I can screen share. So I don't normally go live on here, but for some reason StreamYard is not connecting. I did see a screen share tab earlier. Now I've started the live, I cannot see it. So at the moment I might not be able to share the screen. I'm looking for it on here. It was there before I started the live, and now I can't see it. Let's just see if I can find how to do it. Otherwise, just to sort of bear with me. I can't see the live screen share tab now. It was on here when I was setting up, and I can't see it now. This is another reason I use StreamYard for it. So basically, I've started my 90-day challenge day 1 yesterday, day 2 starting today. Now, what I basically did yesterday is I brought a load of things up to date. I've updated some links, I've updated some adverts. Got my first main payout through from the Affiliate Mentor platform, which is absolutely great. And what I'm going to be, I'm going to be reinvesting some of that into some ads. I'm looking to get some login ads up and running. I opened up a new TikTok account yesterday. I haven't used TikTok for a long time. I'm not a big fan of it, but it recommends it inside of the Affiliate Mentor Spark training. Now, if you don't know what Affiliate Mentor is, it's a great platform. It's not brand new. A couple of people say, oh, it's brand new, it's brand new. It's not brand new. It's about 6 months old thereabouts, but it's only recently it's got this huge momentum. Okay, it really is gaining momentum fast now. Our team leader is Edward Keat. He's put a great deal of content together. If you check out some of my videos on either YouTube or go back down my profile, you're going to see quite a few videos on this. We've got team funnels, we've got team capture pages, we've got team bridge pages, and we've got all sorts. And we've even got a team traffic rotator as well, which is helping people get sign-ups. Nothing is guaranteed, obviously, but people are getting sign-ups through the rotator from Edward. So inside of the training modules, inside the Affiliate Mentor platform, there's this massive thing of the part of the VIP traffic suite and also part of the AI launch secrets. And when you go through these training modules, which are fantastic, you come across this part, which I came across on the weekend with the 90-day challenge. Now, if you know anything about myself, you know I've done challenges in the past. I've done it with OLSP, very successful, and I've done it with other programs too. And I do like doing challenges. The main reason why I like doing challenges, I recommend anybody to get involved with a challenge. Because basically it gives you that little extra incentive, it gives you that extra motivation. You almost feel like you've got to do it to maintain your challenge, and trust me, people do watch, they do track your progress, and especially if you're doing a big one like I'm doing now, a 90-day challenge, they're going to be following your progress and watching what you're doing and looking for results and things like that. So this is what I started. It started yesterday. Now, my plan yesterday was just to get this TikTok account and update some of the ads and remove what I didn't like. I'm putting together some new pages for myself inside of Leads Leap. I've seen some good pages around, some splash pages. I'm taking some ideas and putting them together. This is what people do. We've got some great work already put together by Edward Keat, but I want to make a simpler funnel for myself, for the team to use as well. Get some pages out there, get some capture pages. Maybe if I can get myself traffic rotator going, if the team gets big enough, we're going to be doing that as well. more reasons. And guys, this is so many reasons to use this platform. Why is it so good? Why is it doing so well? And why is it gaining momentum? The reason for that is, firstly, it's affordable to the masses. So one time, $25 to get in and get started, and this gives you access to just about everything that there is. The $25 platform is known as the Spark level. You get all the training modules. You get the fantastic AI launch secrets. Now this can be downloaded as a PDF. It can be put onto your PC as a flipping book, as they say. And it's very, very high quality content. And the best thing about this is, especially when you've got the team members coming through, they say, where do I do? What do I do? What do I do next? I'm on board. Guide them through to the Spark module, click the Spark tab, then go over to the training modules and go through the AI launch secrets. It literally takes them by the hand about telling them what to do, how to get started, how to get their first 3 to 5 people in, and then the subsequent modules introduce them to the optional upgrades. Now there are optional upgrades in there. They are not mandatory, and the $25 is not a monthly fee either. It is basically a one-time $25. So it completely depends on what you want from the business. If you're happy enough to come in at the $25 level and sit there and get access to all the training and all the modules and bring people into your Spark Matrix, you just need 6 people in to fill that Spark Matrix. When that matrix is full, you earn a $50 commission. So you put $25 in, you get $50 back out, double your money straight away. And then in turn, if you will then get a new board recreated for you, and the process starts all over again. Okay. Now in turn, if people in your matrix, out of those 6 people, if somebody fills their matrix and they cycle, they'll get their $50. But as you brought that person in, then you're going to get a 50% matching bonus every time they cycle, and this can go on, it's sort of to infinity. And this is where you can get up to they do max it out or cap it out, should we say, for the $25 matrix. They can cycle up to a maximum of $500 a day for the Spark Matrix. So basically you've got sort of 10 cycles you're allowed in one day. There's no restriction after that. So that's my budget. You can start creating, you just start woken up. Then we go on to the upgrades. Now there are 2 optional upgrades inside of the Affiliate Mentor platform. We've got the core and we've got the VIP. The VIP gives you access to a marketing suite. It gives you some fantastic content there, extra sort of training modules, and also opens up a $500 matrix board. Now this works in exactly the same way as the Spark Matrix. The only difference is here is a $500 board. So when that cycles, you literally get $500 back for the same amount of people coming in. So when you get 6 people and it cycles, you get a $500 commission, and you also get their matching bonus. So if anybody within your VIP matrix, if they cycle, you get a 50% matching bonus. So when their matrix cycles, you get the $500. They get the $500. You're going to get the 50% matching bonus at $250. So you can see the power of this. Okay, there's a lot more to it. There's bonus traffic, there's discounted traffic, and can't really get into all the VIP benefits on this call. But if you check out some of my videos, I've gone through from some upgrades. You look at my YouTube videos. There's one called "Are the Upgrades Worth It?" If you go into that, you'll see me discuss the upgrades in more detail. Now the other upgrade is a core. This is available in 2 options. You've got a core monthly. A core monthly is currently set at $49.95 a month. We'll call it $50 a month for argument's sake. And anybody that comes underneath you for that, you're going to get $20 a month back. But there is a far better offer. As with most upgrades on a monthly basis, most platforms will offer you a discounted deal for taking an annual deal. Yeah? So, and it's normally, pay for 10 months and you get 12 months. That is the typical sort of deal. Okay. Now they've got that in place here. The only thing is, the Affiliate Mentor platform is classing this launch phase as their first 12 months. It's not some silly, we're pre-launching for 12 months, for 30 days and all this nonsense. Okay, where you see with these other garbage platforms. Their launch phase, this is how much vision they've got. Their launch phase, they're classing as the first 12 months. Okay, and they're saying in that first 12 months, we're going to do a buy one get one free offer. So anybody takes the core annual deal, you're going to get pay for 10 months deal, which say, for argument's sake, we'll call it around about $500, but you're going to get 2 years. So you're going to get going to get that year and they're going to give you another year for free. So basically coming in and taking the annual deal, you're going to get 2 years. It's absolutely insane how much value there is there, and a lot of people are grabbing that. And the good thing is about it, you get a nice roll-up commission from that, from any member that takes advantage of it. And the good thing is, like any upgrade, if you're not positioned, you don't receive it. It's simple as it. It'll basically roll up to the first available person. That's why upgrades are always recommended, but they are optional. If you can't budget for that, if you're just quite happy to come in and build your matrix with the $25, etc., that's fine. There are hundreds of people in the platform just coming in, paying them $25. They're taking advantage of the fantastic training modules that they get with that. They're earning quite well. They've only got to fill their matrix once and they've doubled their money. So it really is a no-brainer all round. So don't feel like you have to upgrade, because you do not. We know one particular member has already made over $700 from their Spark matrix positions alone. So it just shows you that the power is there and the potential is there as well. I said I was hoping to share my screen and show you a bit more, but I'm live on my PC, and I do normally use StreamYard, but every time I try to click the StreamYard, it wouldn't connect, and I cannot see at the moment how I can get onto sharing the screen. It was showing when I was setting up, but I can't see now. I'm just going to have a quick look and see if I can find it on the left hand side, because I don't normally use it. It's not showing anywhere. It was showing us, so I can't actually show my screen at the moment. So for some reason it's probably hidden way it's probably sitting right in front of my eyes, but I can't see it. But right now I'm just sort of looking around to see if I can see it. Can't see. Maybe I had to share the screen from the start, because it was sitting there before I clicked the live tab. It was saying click share the screen, but it's certainly not doing it now. So I can't show you inside the platform. I do normally use StreamYard. It makes it far much easier. I can see Facebook comments coming in easier and things like that. But this is basically my 90-day challenge, day number 2. And so what I plan to do today, I plan to get some more login ads used by one of the owners of some sites. I'm going to get them set up. I'm going to continue with the TikTok. I'll keep you progress, probably give you a weekly progress on that, because obviously I'm just going to try and do one short post a day. It's not something I use very often, but I'll go with the flow. I'm going to try to do a live video every day, and I'm also going to be doing a sort of proper recorded screen share video as well, and these will be on YouTube. So depending on where you're seeing this one, this is obviously going live to my Facebook profile. I'll drop a copy of this and share it into my group, and I'll also try and download it later on and put it onto YouTube as well. If I have to use this tomorrow, I shall find out how to share my screen, because I cannot see it anywhere. I imagine that I have to do it. I'm just looking. I'd imagine I have to do it while I'm just before I hit live, because there was a button underneath before I hit the live that said share your screen. So maybe I should do that before I actually hit the live button. I'm not too sure how it works. I should find out. But for some reason, StreamYard was not working. So what we're approaching the quarter of an hour mark. I've tried to give some information, guys. This platform is a very good platform. It's backed by the traffic platform Traffic Authority. If you've been online for any amount of time, you definitely would have heard of that. It's a premium traffic provider. It's got great owners, massive backing from that sort of platform. So this one isn't going anywhere, and it's a very powerful compensation plan. It's very easy to earn. I was going to screen share as well and drop you into the Facebook group. I should do that on tomorrow's live. And just show you that when you have an active platform, if you want an idea of how well a platform is doing, go check out the main Facebook group. Okay, and because you can see straight away, if you drop into a Facebook group for a program and there's hardly any sort of activity, there's nobody really posting that they're earning anything or posting that they're recruiting somebody or whatever, it's clear to see in quite a short space of time. It's the complete opposite with this affiliate mentor platform. When you go into the main Facebook group, it is literally post after post after post of people welcoming new members, sharing that they cycled, sharing that they've earned something, and etc., etc., etc. And this is constant all the way down, and all the posts you'll see will have been within sort of 12 to 24 hours. It's that active, and there's only about 2,000 members at the moment, and that's already grown by a few hundred since I've joined, and I've been in around about 3.5 weeks. So the links will be below this video somewhere, depending on where you're watching it. If it's on my profile, it's on my Facebook group, or if I've downloaded it onto YouTube, there'll be a link to join underneath this video somewhere. Get on board with myself, get involved with our team. We've got massive team content, exclusive team content put together by Edward Keat, our team leader. If you know him, you know what his stuff's like. We've got capture pages and landing pages and all the rest of it. Exclusive content to our team. He's also got an exclusive team traffic rotator for people to register and get involved in. Again, you've got to be a paid member, you've got to be a $25 Spark member. You're going to get access to all that. I'm putting some of my own content together as well, because we want everybody to do well. We don't want people just to come on board and just be a number. We want everybody to get on board and do well. You've got Christmas coming up, people. It's a scary word, but it's only 3 months or so away. This is a great platform to enable to get you some money together to pay for that horrible period which costs everybody an arm and a leg. So that's just about it. It's just gone over the 15-minute mark. I'll wrap this up tomorrow. If I have to do it back on the Facebook, I shall find out how to go live and share at the same time, because there's no button whatsoever showing me how to I can screen share. So in the meantime, guys, thanks for watching. Whatever you're doing, have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next live video. Cheers and bye for now.